Hi, my name is Joel Matthew, UR15CS177, and today I am going to be explaining the operations done on a singly linked list. So, initially have declared the header file iostream and using namespace std. I have declared two global variables n and item. I have then created a structure node and I have two members data of integer data type and a pointer link of node data type. I have also created a bunch of pointers of node data type which are front one, rear one, temp and t, and I have initialized them to null. So first I have the insert functions. So in insert we have three operations: insert at front, insert after data in middle, and insert at end. So the choice is taken from the user, and using switch case we implement each of the choices. So case one is insert at front. So a temporary new node is created and it is assigned to a temp, pointer temp, and we take the enter the data from the user, and the temp arrow link points to null, and if the list is empty then front is equal to null, the condition is satisfied, and front and rear is initialized to temp, and rear arrow link points to null. So this is the first element inside the inside the newly created list. So if not, then temp arrow link is equal to front. So the new node points to the first node of the linked list, and the front pointer is assigned to the temporary node. So the next operation is insert after data in the middle. So first we enter from the user the data after which the new node needs to be inserted. So that is taken by the variable item. So using a temporary variable t, we assign the pointer to front, and while t arrow data is not equal to item, that means the item is compared to each data in the linked list. So until this condition is satisfied, t jumps to the next node. So if t equal to rear arrow link, which means null, then the element is not found, and if not, then new node is created, and we take the enter the data from the user. So if the linked list is empty, then front equal to null. So we initialize both front and rear equal to temp, and rear arrow link points to null. So if not, then temp arrow link equals to t arrow link, and t arrow link equal to temp. So we are inserting the new node in between the node which after which we have to insert and the next node. So the last operation is insert in at end. So we create a new node using temp equal to new node, and we enter the data from the user. So if the list is empty, then front equal to null, and we initialize both front and rear equal to temp. Otherwise, rear arrow link points to temp, and rear points to temp, and rear arrow link points to null. So if none of these choices is entered by the user, then invalid choice is executed. So the next function is delete function. So we have three operations: delete from front, delete data from middle, and delete from end. So using switch case, we again execute each of the choices. So first is delete from front. So if rear equal to null, that means the queue is empty and we return back to the main function. So, and if we have only just one node, then rear front points to rear. So rear equal to rear arrow link, which means null, and again temp equal to front, and front equal to front arrow link, which means that the element deleted is pointed to by temp, and then we delete the pointed temp. So the next operation is deleting an element from the middle. So again we check if the queue is empty, and then we ask the user to enter the data which needs to be deleted. So t again, t is a temporary variable which points to front, and temp is another temporary variable which points to t. So using these two, we are going to delete a node from the middle. So till t arrow data does not match the item, and t arrow link is not equal to null, this while loop is executed, which means temp equal to t and t equal to t arrow link. So temp points to the previous node before the node which needs to be deleted, and t points to the node which has to be deleted. So if t arrow link equal to null, then the element is not found, and if not, temp arrow link equals to t arrow link, and then we delete t. So the last operation is delete from end. So again we check empty condition, and then after which we again use two pointers t and temp, and using if t arrow link not equal to null, then temp equal to t and t equal to t arrow link, which means that temp points to the previous node and t points to the last node. So rear equal to temp and uh, rear. So if until this, so rear equal to temp and rear arrow link equal to null. So and the element is to be deleted is pointed to by t, and then we delete the pointer t. So in the display function, first we check for empty condition, and if it's true, then empty queue is displayed, and if not, we one by one we display each of the nodes. And using main function, we execute each of these operations using a do while loop and if else ladder. So the user has the control over the program. So let's run the program. So first the user is asked the choice. Let's first insert some nodes. Yes. So let's again insert another element. Let's see the display, and as you can see, the list is the thing. And so we insert from front. So first element t1 is shown in the end, and 34 is shown at the front. So let's insert from middle. So let's insert after 34. So let's enter the data 50, and let's continue. Let's display the value, and as you can see, the second operation, that is insert after the data, is also implemented. So let's continue. Let's insert another data. Let's insert from end. Let's insert 56. Let's display, and as you can see, the linked list is displayed. So let's try the delete functions. So let's delete from the middle first. Let's try 45. So as you can see, 45 is deleted. So let's continue and delete from front. So as you can see, 34, which was on top of the list, is deleted. So let's continue again, and let's display the linked list. As you can see, 21 and 56 is displayed. So let's finally do another delete operation. So let's try delete from end, and as you can see, the last element is deleted. So do you want to continue? No. So thank you for listening to me.